Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a bomb hair tutorial for you featuring Yolissa hair. If you've been following my channel since the beginning, if you're an OG on my channel, you know that I've worked with Yolissa a couple of times, especially in the beginning when I started YouTube. I used to work with them so much. So my sister is just showing you guys the hair and everything that it came with. And my sister, in case you're new to my channel, my sister Styled by Dobra is an amazing hairstylist. So we did a shoot together on this day. I did the makeup, she did the hair, and Dobra started going back to bald cap method sometimes. You know, before we used to do bald cap. Like, why doesn't it even trend anymore? I don't think people really do bald cap. When I used to do hair before Dobra came into my life. See, I'm saying came into my life like she's not my sister, but yeah, I used to do bald cap a lot when I used to lay my hair myself. It's such a tedious process, but it's so worth it too. It's actually so worth it. So she used spray, melting spray, to lay the bald cap down, and now she's securing the bald cap with lace glue. So now that it's dry, she's cutting off the excess bald cap. So now she's putting the wig down. Guys, get into this lace. Like, I had to give you a little zoom in because this lace melted. And can we have a round of applause for our gorgeous model, like my sweetheart Vicky? I miss you so much, babes. So Dora has started forming the lace frontal, the hairline. She's trying to give you guys our widow's peak. See, I'm giving you tea. You should come and learn from my sister Styled by Dobra. She does classes. Like, people from a lot of countries around the world comes for my sister's classes. Like, I'm so proud of my baby. So she just cleaned up the area that she was going to put the lace glue. She did like one layer. She actually did only one layer of this hair because Vicky was going to take it off the next day. So she did just one layer of the glue. Guys, let me explain to you how Dobra explained it to me. You have to spread it like butter. See how you spread butter on bread? Like, very slowly. If you don't spread it very well, it's not going to dry clear, and you need it to dry clear. All right, so you see how it has dried clear. So now it's time to put the wig on. So she just puts the wig on the glue and uses her fingers and comb to press it into the glue, then tie it down. This is the first tie down. Tying down is so important in laying of wigs. Like, it's even when you've made the hair, you still need to keep tying it down every night before you go to bed. In the morning, in the afternoon, you would tie this hair for it to last long. So you see how it was already pre-plucked. So if you don't like the overly plucked look that we're doing these days, you can leave it as is, or you can proceed to pluck a little bit more like my sister is doing right now. Get into this hairline. My sister is good, don't worry about it. She's really good. So she's still plucking. She keeps brushing it back to see if there's any area that needs more plucking. So right now she's cutting off the excess lace and the ear tab. It needs to lay flat around the ears. My sister hates this part. She's always singing into my ear that she hates this part. You need to lift up every area of the lace and make sure that glue is in every area and lay it back down. So after waxing the hair and using hot comb, she's using lace tints. Are you seeing how this thing just disappeared? Like literally before our eyes, it just disappeared into the model's skin. And she tied it down one more time. My heart skips a beat. And who said that you could sweep me away? What lace? Show it to me. I want to see the lace right now. And now she's using Gorilla Glue to give it that slick back, relaxed front hair illusion. Please show me the lace. I want you to point it out because I can't see it. And if you can see it, you're a hater. Oh, this hair eats. Like, it eats a big time. And this lace, HD lace, they did really good with this lace. So now she's using melting spray. Look at the difference between both sides. You can see what that melting spray does. So hot comb one more time to style the hair. So we wanted to do a middle part as our first look. So she parted this in the middle, used hot comb, tied it down one more time before I proceeded to do the makeup. And the makeup look is coming in 3, 2, 1. Ooh, look at this hair now. This hair was soft. Like, we didn't put any water in it because we just liked how the curls looked like this. So we just left it dry. I really liked how it looked like this. It was giving like Diana Ross vibe. And we did one more look, the updo look. I wanted to do this look to show off the lace frontal. Do you see how it looks like her hair? Like her natural hair? And this makeup was bomb. If you want to see the tutorial on this look, let me know in the comment section below. So like I said, this hair is from Yolissa Hair. All the details will be in my description bar below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I love you, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys. Mwah!